How to remove Gemini from Google Assistant. So if you want to remove Gemini from Google Assistant on your Android device, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Google. Go with your profile, tap on the profile which will be in top right, and here you need to scroll down a bit and then go with settings. And under settings, as you can see that you will have an option of Google Assistant right here. Tap on it. Now if you've turned off your Google Assistant, and instead of your Google Assistant, if you've selected Gemini, as you can see that you will have Assistant Voice and Sounds, you need to tap on it and then just simply go and select the sounds and tap on Gemini. Here you need to turn off Gemini. After turning off your Gemini, you need to go back and then go with your Google Assistant and tap on Digital Assistants from Google. And here if you've selected Gemini, then switch to Google Assistant. After switching to Google Assistant, your Gemini will be removed from your Google Assistant. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.